Buddy, if I can't take a nap for half an hour without me waking up to you looking like this.
Looking like that? Taking me up.
Do you think you look pretty? Have you looked in the mirror?
Huh?
You have? So let's go look in the mirror.
Look at me.
You like the back ponytail. That's a nice little addition. So, what do you think? Do you think you look pretty lovely? Do you like looking like a girl or do you like looking like a boy?
Like me a boy.
You want to be a boy?
Yeah. Not a girl.
No, because girls drool. Huh?
Boys. Whoa.
Boys drool.
But you look like a girl.
Girls drool.
No, girls drool.
I agree. Boys drool.
Ha, Max. No. Well, no offense, but you kind of look like a girl, so you're saying that about yourself.
Can you talk in a girl voice? Say, hello, Mommy. I'm a girl. Hello?